Installation instructions for roof-mounted centrifugal fans. Step 1. Measure and determine the fan placement. Step 2. Based on the size of the selected fan type, cut a hole in the workshop roof. Step 3. Install the auxiliary purlin into position and securely weld the auxiliary purlin to the workshop purlin. Step 4. Install the fan support frame into position and securely weld the support frame. Step 5. Weld additional stiffeners onto the fan support frame and securely weld the stiffeners to the auxiliary purlin. Step 6. Place the roof-mounted centrifugal fan into position. Connect it to the support frame using bolts and nuts, or use self-drilling, self-tapping screws to secure the fan's position. Step 7. Install the rain protection unit for the fan. Step 8. Apply waterproof sealant to the joints between the rain covers and the fan and the workshop roof, ensuring no water leakage. Step 9. Test run and inspect.